Holiday Inn Express and Suites here in Dallas, Cockrell. They do have security all the way around. So they have security cameras monitoring 24/7, and they also block off some parking spaces in the back. Say don't park here because we can't really monitor over there. And they have doors all the way around that you can get into pretty easily, so that's nice. Their pool closes at 12:30, and their workout center, fitness center, is open 24 hours. Their back door, you do need to use your key card to get in, and you can actually see all the way straight through to the front entrance as well. The Holiday Inn Express and Suites. Pretty new setup here. Up here they do have some nice wall sconces and wallpaper. We're going to be staying in the Dallas Holiday Inn Express and Suites on Cockrell Hill, room 401. Right inside the door, we do have a full iron and ironing board. Also, the bag rack so that you can open up your suitcase and get to it. We have 3 6 hangers inside of the little cubicle closet here. Inside of the little vanity suite here, we have a microwave, which I always love with Holiday Inn Express. It has Mama's favorite, the Keurig, and we also have a couple of coffees. We have the breakfast blend and the decaf coffee. We have the ice bucket and 4 cups, and in the refrigerator, it's got a freezer inside. Freezer, full refrigerator, and door, so that is nice. And we also have a little bar sink. We have a full length mirror here so that you can go ahead and get ready. Starting off in the room, we do have a sconce here that does have 2 plugs, which is nice. We also have a full desk with a phone, a pen, and a paper. And we have 2 plugs on the wall and 1 additional plug on the lamp. So basically we've got 5 plugs right here, which is awesome. We've got a office chair that's pretty soft, and a full-size trash can, which is nice. This one here is a king suite, so it has a sitting chair. It has a lamp with 1 more plug. We have a queen-size pull-out sofa here and table. Has a nice little bar divider here where you can go ahead and hold some stuff. We have lamps on either side. Both lamp has an on and off switch with 2 plugs. So it looks like we got a ton of plugs here. We have an alarm, which I hate alarms, but it's always good to have just in case you need it. And we have an easy glide drawer. On the king size bed, we have 4 pillows. Looks like we have a soft and firm. And the first one is a goose down pillow, so that is nice. The bed itself actually feels really firm. Thankfully, I've got the backup memory foam topper to throw up on there. We have a regular TV here, probably about a 32-inch with a remote. Looks like we have DirecTV, which is pretty cool. We've got extra stuff just in case you need it. So they got toothbrushes, razors, all that kind of good stuff. We do have storage. There's 2 drawer chest storage here, which is an easy glide. Actually, it's a 3 chest storage. And we have an additional seating chair. Wow, that's nice. Oh, and that one is super soft, and it has memory foam. Right next to the memory foam chair, we also have another end table. Little table here. We've got some nice art inside. Another lamp, and the AC is here. And the digital thermostat is on the other side by the entrance. We have sprinklers all throughout, and we also have carbon monoxide detectors inside, which is nice. And the bed has a leather backing, nice soft back on it so that you can go ahead and sit up and read some books, relax, do some studying on your iPad or your tablets, or you can look at Instagram flipping through your phone. All right, so looking outside of the window, looks like we have an extra space storage behind us, and the highway is on the other side. And what we actually liked about Dallas is it's got all kinds of like pretty looking buildings over there. Definitely got some money here in Dallas, that's for sure. But what I love is actually we're going to be able to get a parking space right outside our window, so we'll be able to see our car, which is pretty cool. And it looks like since we are on the back side of the building, we won't be disturbed by the highway, which I love, because one of the other hotels we stayed at, we were on the front side of the building, and my wife could not sleep at all that night. A wifey approval on this one. She said it's very nice. Made an amazing discovery. This Holiday Inn Express has memory foam pullouts. I have never in my life seen memory foam pullouts inside the bed. I think our son is going to sleep better than we do tonight. All right, inside the bathroom, this is actually probably the nicest display of towels I have ever seen in any hotel. So look, we got our hand towels here. You see there, like little floral design. We've got the floral design of the tissues, the floral design of the hand towel here. We've got 2 shower towels, another hand towel with a little design there. That is amazing. I love that. We also have the shower rod that comes out, so that gives you more room inside the shower. And my wife's favorite is the Dove. We got the Dove body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. They got all 3 today. And let's see what we got here. So this here is actually kind of a short shower head. It's got a couple of different options in here, but this one here is probably 6 foot, so I'm going to be ducking to get inside of this one. It does have a little ledge here for your bar of soap, and it does have a safety bar so that you can help yourself get up out of the bath or make sure you don't fall getting out. Now underneath we do have an extra trash can. They have a hair dryer, another full towel, and 2 rolls of toilet paper, and they even folded the toilet paper here as well. They have a Dove bar soap. They're all doved out here in this hotel. I can see my wife jumping for joy with that. And they have a really nice sink here. This is really nice. Looks like they got pretty... All right, I'm taking back the luggage carts now. Little bitty luggage carts. We had to get 2. Usually we just put everything on 1 luggage cart. 2 big wheels in the back, 2 small ones in the front. You can hang a little thing here. It's pretty lightweight. 4 floors in this one here. We're staying on the top this time. Go down to 1. Super slow as it goes down. Downstairs by the elevator, they do have a male and female restroom with a little seating area down there as well. You have the fitness center, which is 24 hours. It's got a couple of stuffs in there. Cool till midnight. On checkout day, we discovered that they do have 1 regular baggage cart inside the hotel. But apparently the one that they had was missing when we came at 2 o'clock in the morning. So now when we check out, we get to fill it with all of our bags and don't have to take 2 carts. Inside the pool area, they do have a bathroom. They have a full jacuzzi. Nice and hot. They also have an indoor pool. We were going to shoot this last night, but there was somebody who had a big old speaker set up, tons of people in the pool, tons of people in the jacuzzi, so we didn't get to enjoy it, but this one here is nice and hot and running, and a beautiful indoor pool. But just to know, the pool is not heated. It was super cold. My son was swimming around last night, but I only went waist deep because it was super chilly. And they also have towels down here, clean towels, dirty towls. And you do the key card reader,
You want to make sure you put it in, and then you got to pull the handle up, not down. Breakfast area, full breakfast. I was kind of sad because they didn't have bagels, but they did have, you know, sausage, bacon, all that kind of stuff. Seating area with a TV. Nice seating area here. And they have a business center that has 2 computers that you can go ahead and use right next to the front lobby. Downstairs bathroom near the lobby is pretty nice. It's got some nice sinks, trash. It's got a urinal, changing station, and a super large area for the throne. Be careful not to fall asleep in here though. It is a little dim. On checkout day, we discovered that they do have one regular baggage cart inside the hotel, but apparently the one that they had was missing when we came at 2 o'clock in the morning. So now when we check out, we get to fill it with all of our bags and don't have to take 2 carts.